2019 Hyundai Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, lane departure warning, remote engine start, stability control, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, keyless start, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, trip computer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.